Welcome to the notary training for our remote online notarization platform. This video will guide you through the complete notary experience, from launching a session to finalizing notarized documents. We'll cover every interface element, tool, and requirement you need to know to conduct clear, compliant remote notarizations. Let's begin by launching a notary session. From your admin dashboard, navigate to the Online Notary Queue page. You'll see two tables here: the live queue for real-time sessions and the remote online notarizations table for scheduled or past sessions. Let's select a session from the scheduled sessions queue. When you select a session, the launch sequence begins automatically. You'll see a pop-up window with the header, "Preparing Session." Watch as the system downloads session data, establishes a secure connection to the session server, and requests permissions for your camera and microphone. Make sure no other applications in your system are currently using the microphone or camera to prevent permission errors. Important note: while signers can use mobile devices, notaries must use a desktop or laptop computer. Mobile devices don't provide adequate screen space for the notary's view of the session. Now you can click Continue to Session. Before entering the session, you must acknowledge this regulatory notice. Read it carefully. It states, "The video conference must be started before any documents can be notarized. Both the notary and signers must be present in the video session. The session cannot be finalized until the video conference has been initiated. This ensures compliance with remote online notarization regulations. You must also attest that you are physically located in your home state, as required by state law. This is a legal requirement for remote notarizations. Check the attestation box, and then click the "I understand" button.